Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best pipe cutter you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best pipe cutter in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Zantle Ratchet type tube cutter. With a great mix of reasonable pricing and quality craftsmanship, the Zantle Ratchet type tube cutter will your favorite overall. It can cut pipe up to 1 5/8 inches in outer diameter, which is standard for this type of tool. This cutter will ratchet closed with a few squeezes of your hand, slicing right through whatever pipe is within its jaws. The jaws are sufficiently shaped to hold a pipe in place while the blade cuts through it. Fortunately, the blade is sharp enough to pierce rather than crush the PVC, though it is not the most durable of the bunch. Fortunately, this tool comes with a 1-year warranty, which speaks to how well it's built. This cutter also has other standard features, such as a locking buckle that keeps it closed when not in use. Because it is so well designed, you can operate it with one hand while keeping your other hand free to hold and guide the pipe. Our second best pipe cutter is Ridgid Ratcheting PVC Pipe Cutter. The Ridgid 23498 Ratcheting PVC Pipe Cutter is one of the most beautiful pipe cutters we've ever seen. It's also one of the most expensive, but the price is justified in this case. This tool is ideal for cutting all types of plastic pipe, including PVC, PEX, rubber hose, and multi-layer tubing. It's spring-loaded to open all the way every time you let go of the handle, allowing you to readjust to the proper size for your pipe without having to pump the handle, which can save you quite a few pumps on a thinner pipe. This tool can cut pipe with an outer diameter of up to 1 5/8 inches. The razor-sharp XL blade easily cuts through any type of plastic pipe or tubing. Ratcheting mechanism combined with the innovative blade design work together to reduce the amount of hand force needed to cut through even the toughest of plastic materials. High-quality aluminum build provides long-lasting durability for a long service life that can withstand heavy duty and daily use. Third pick in our list is Ridgid Tubing Compact Cutter. This product is the best copper pipe cutter as it is designed to allow easy operation in restricted spaces. This pipe cutter also easily cut tubing with small diameter. The Ridgid eases tight cutting work and even ease the operation. Makes it quicker and easier to cut copper, brass, and aluminum tubing with a capacity of 1/4 inch to 1 1/8 inch. In tight spaces that restrict rotation by hand. Allows the innovative cutter to be used alone or with the included easily attachable ratchet handle for superior flexibility and mobility. Rugged, compact, and lightweight and attached to the cutter to operate in ratchet steps as small as 10 degrees, allowing for fine indexing in tight areas. Features a high-quality steel-constructed long-life cutter wheel with a spare wheel stored in the knob. Football-shaped knob is easy to turn and only requires tightening once, while the spring-loaded cutter wheel makes cuts automatically for ease of use and labor in hard-to-reach areas. Number 4 in our side is Ridgid 23488 PVC Pipe Cutter. PVC Pipe Cutter Ridgid 23488. It's a single-stroke pipe cutter that, according to the manufacturer, can cut through pipe as thick as 1 5/8 inches with a single squeeze. That would be fantastic, and it's sort of true. In reality, you'd have to squeeze so hard that cutting a pipe larger than 1 inch would be impossible. Jaws frequently shift, resulting in a crooked cut. However, you don't need as much pressure to cut a thinner pipe, so if you're only cutting a 34-inch or smaller pipe, you should be fine. It has a reversible blade that lasts twice as long as a standard blade. When it wears out, it can be replaced, but a replacement blade is more expensive than purchasing a new tool. The scissor-style Ridgid 23488 single-stroke plastic pipe and tubing cutter is an easy-to-use tool that's ideal for cutting plastic tubing and pipe. Designed for quick and easy use, the pipe cutter features spring-loaded handles for faster positioning of easy, single-stroke cuts. Built to last, its reversible blade provides 2 times the blade life. Last in our best pipe cutter list is Ridgid 32975 Tube Compact Cutter. Ridgid Model 32975 permits the plumber to get access to tubes and pipes located at narrow spots because of its length of 1.5 inches that provides you a cut cap of 1/8 to 5/8 inches. Moreover, the tool also comes with a grooved roller that aids clean up against the flare cuts. Specifically built for use in restricted spaces to make tight cutting jobs significantly easier and more manageable. Features a strong yet lightweight slide and wheel housing for ease of operation and long-lasting durability. Large knurled feed screw knob provides users with ultimate cutting pressure control to produce superior clean cuts. Constructed with a high-quality steel cutting wheel for a long life and a spare wheel stored in the knob.